I can hear that sound in here again. It's dark in here, but can't hear it. Can't see it though, that's the thing. But it's loud. Shh. Yeah, it's loud. Settle. Yeah. Wish I could make it out. I can hear it in there but just can't see it. But this is how dark it is. And we're right next to the road here. So I've got these two. Right next to the road. It's quite loud in there, that. I'm not sure if you can pick it up with this camera. Just I don't know what it is. It sounds wheezy, like a wheezy type sound.